The concept of a blow cover might not be immediately familiar to everyone, as it is a term that is not widely recognized in everyday language. However, in certain contexts, it can refer to a cover story or explanation that is used to conceal or deflect attention from a particular event or situation. To understand the notion of a blow cover more comprehensively, it is important to delve into its usage in various contexts. A blow cover is essentially a strategy employed to divert or mislead others regarding the true nature of an event, an action, or a set of circumstances. This tactic is often utilized in espionage, intelligence operations, or covert activities, where secrecy and discretion are paramount. In these scenarios, the blow cover is designed to create a plausible alternative narrative or explanation that can help protect the identity or objectives of individuals or organizations involved in clandestine activities. For instance, in the realm of espionage, a spy might maintain a blow cover as part of their cover identity. This cover story could involve pretending to be an ordinary civilian or a professional in an unrelated field to conceal their true role as an intelligence operative. The blow cover provides a layer of protection against suspicion and scrutiny, making it more challenging for adversaries to uncover the spy's true mission. In addition to espionage, blow covers are also relevant in fields such as undercover law enforcement work, where officers assume false identities or roles to infiltrate criminal organizations. A blow cover in this context may involve creating a background story, social connections, and even a job or profession that help maintain the undercover officer's credibility and protect their true mission. Blow covers can also be found in the world of journalism and investigative reporting. When journalists are working on sensitive or dangerous stories, they may adopt a blow cover to safeguard their sources and the information they are pursuing. This could involve posing as someone else, using an alias, or providing an alternative explanation for their actions to avoid attracting unwanted attention or threats. Furthermore, blow covers have applications in the realm of personal privacy and security. In cases where individuals need to protect their identity or location for safety reasons, they may use a blow cover to maintain anonymity. This might include using pseudonyms, false addresses, or alternate stories about their whereabouts to shield themselves from potential harm or harassment. In summary, a blow cover is a strategic tool used to conceal the true nature of a situation, event, or individual. Whether in espionage, undercover operations, journalism, or personal safety, the concept of a blow cover revolves around the creation of a false narrative or identity to divert attention and protect the interests or safety of those involved. It is a technique that operates in the shadows, designed to serve the purposes of discretion, security, and confidentiality in a variety of contexts where secrecy is paramount.